Good morning, everybody. It is August 2023, and I know I haven't put much out, but summer's been kind of interesting. They redid all of the sidewalks for ADA, which was really nice. So I haven't really done much out here, but today they're resurfacing the whole street, and I can hardly wait. So I had to move all the stuff that I had there to over here, and the garden's looking really good, as a matter of fact. And I'm waiting until they get this all done to put some zucchini out here for people. Probably gonna have to move that to, I have a piece of cardboard over there. I'll lay cardboard down, and then I have a pile of mulch down there. I'm just waiting for them to get all of this done so that I can do this. And then I will mulch this strip right here too. And it's been over 100 degrees this week, so but the bees are loving the raspberries, which are not doing well in this heat, unfortunately. So the figs are doing great. I don't know if you can see. There's lots of baby figs. Wait, let me see if I can get this. Anyway, so I got all new sidewalk in front of my house. Oh, here's some ripe ones ready to eat right here. Yellow raspberries. If you've not had yellow raspberries, you're missing out. Rhubarb, which my shadow is in the way. Rhubarb, gooseberries, lavender, blueberry, yellow raspberries, cucumbers, all that stuff. These are the only raspberries that survived from the farm. Few blueberries left on that bush. More rhubarb, more gooseberry. Anyway, I've been watering late at night because it was just too hot. Check this out. This is Justin and Dren's house, but I had to move stuff. Can you see the... Boy, the sun is on it. Let's try this. There we go. See the pumpkin? See the pumpkin? So this rhubarb right here has gone crazy. I got to come out and pick some. Lemon balm, zucchini. Another pumpkin. Can't remember how many there are. I know there's 3 for sure. This is squash, Hubbard squash. See it? There's one down in there. There's a bunch of them. Acorn squash. And then spaghetti squash, which there's quite a few on the wall. And watermelon. I got lots of watermelon flowers, but I haven't found any watermelons themselves yet, but it loves it here. It loves the spot. And then this is like the only part of the front yard that I haven't finished, but I bought this fig tree at an estate sale last year, and it wasn't getting much water. So how do you like my fence, you guys? Anyway, I have to finish digging out a path here because I had them put a gate in right here because Justin and Dren live over there, and I wanted Dren to be able to come over to this side of he can bring the dogs from there into there. And I'd show you the backyard, but it is a mess. So next week or the week after, lots to do. I have to move all of these rocks. I have to get my rain barrels set up. I and get this place mulched, right? Tomatoes, eggplants, figs, lemon blueberry, pink lemonade, more figs. There's 5 in there. Anyway, that's what's going on in my neck of the woods. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Ooh, it is hot. So they finished the resurfacing, if that's what you can call it. I don't know. I'll let you tell me. Doesn't that look nice? Yeah, we get to hear somebody go by. Anyway, look at how nice. I have a brand new sidewalk. The road's all been resurfaced, and then there's the ugly house. It needs a paint job. It's not really ugly. Anyway, so there you go. I think it looks rather nice.